Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are just hanging at home, but we do have a fun little project. Now, some of you may know that Zena did get a back injury literally right on New Year's, but she is pretty much back to normal now. We just have to really limit her jumping. So we've gotten some ramps around the house, but this little cutie keeps jumping off of this table. So I'm going to Zena jump proof it with some really cool products that I bought on Amazon used. So this is all of this is either used products that I bought on Amazon for a crazy reduced price, or it is stuff that I already had at home. So she was just jumping off this end of the couch. So we went and got this little end table from our guest room. So this we already had, but she's going on top of it. So I got some really neat lamps. So here are all the products I got from Amazon. This blue leather lamp, and this one actually does have a USB charger on it. This table lamp, it's all white. And I got 2 smart color changing Sylvana light bulbs. And then the things that I'm gonna use that I already had, which I'll still need to buy another one, but I took this out of my Christmas lights tote. So I have an extension cord to take from here all the way back to where like our projector plugs in. And then we have a power strip that will be going under here. So let me get these 2 plugged in. I'll be right back. Now, one more problem that this has created, and it's actually the reason I got 2 lamps, is that I hit this table all the time, especially when I'm walking through, like when the lights are turned off. So I got this lamp to go underneath. This is a really good brand. This is Globe. I have had, I do have multiple Globe products in the house. They're a very nice brand, but I got this to go under here. Good, I didn't measure it. I was really scared. After I ordered it, I realized I think it's like 15 inches or something. So I thought that it was going to be too large to go under here. But now I can leave it right here, and it's going to be angled down. So it's going to shine light like right here, I hope, so that when I walk by it at night, the light will be shining so I won't hit it. We will see, however. It can't, because of the height, it can't be at a really big angle. Or I might put it down. I haven't decided yet. But it does look very nice. So we have the Globe one up here, and then this one is crazy, okay? So full price, it is either $49.99 or $59.99, I can't remember. On sale, you can get it for $41, or you can get this. It was like new, and I got it for like $13. Super crazy deal. It has a USB charger on the side and a little push button to start the lamp. And you can flip this over, so you can either have the shade come far down, or you can have it go up, which I like it going up. Now, the last product that I'm going to be using is this 2-pack of Sylvana light bulbs. These are the color changing ones. Now, I got these cone-shaped ones because I want the light. I don't know, I just have a feeling that it's gonna look cool. I guess there's not really a reason. I have no idea if it's gonna look good, but we are just gonna see. So, I can't believe how cheap I got these light bulbs. Right now, they are, oh my gosh, look at that! I think that looks really, really good in that lampshade. Now I'm a little nervous. I don't know if it's going to fit into the Globe one. We will have to see. Oh, I think it is gonna fit perfectly. I really like the idea of this shape of light bulb down here because it will really angle the light where I want it. Holy cowbunga. I mean, that is gonna be so nice for when I walk by. Oh my goodness, I love this project. This isn't everything that I wanted to buy. I mean, you always want to buy more stuff, right? But I do have some more plans for some coasters and a charging tower. But I do, like I said, these things were used. So they don't just have used options of everything available. You kind of have to wait for a used one to pop up. But yeah, I mean, I think that those look really, really, really sweet. And now, I don't think she'll be tempted to go out there and jump because she's got this big lamp in the way. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Definitely, the next time you are on Amazon, go up to the little like filter area and go down to condition and select used. Try out any used products you can because trust me, you will save tons and tons of money. If I would have bought both lamps and the bulbs full price when I was purchasing them, it would have been, I believe it was $155. I'll have actual numbers if I can get them. But I paid like $33 or $35 or something for both lamps and the light bulbs. Pretty crazy. I mean, these Sylvana smart bulbs are gonna be nice, but holy cow, are they like nearly impossible to hook up to the app in your Wi-Fi. I mean, Sylvania has multiple apps. I mean, super confusing. I think I have finally got it there. I'm like over 30 minutes in though, just to hooking up the bulbs. We lied. We had to get one more thing. So we got this Globe smart plug for $9.11 full price. It's $24.99. We got a like new one for a fraction of the cost. Now, the reason that we had to get this is even though I love the look of the smart bulbs and I love the color changing abilities, I found out that they are controlled with Bluetooth instead of Wi-Fi. So they do not work. Actually, they don't work really at all with Google, like with my Google Home Minis. So anytime I wanted to turn them on or off or change the color, I had to use the app on my phone anyways. So I'm like, well, really, I want to be able to say blank blank, turn off the living room lights, and it was never able to connect to the Sylvana smart home. So I can still set the color in my Sylvana app and have it that color like all the time, but now with this, I will be able to make it all work cohesively with my Google Home Minis. I love the brand Globe. I actually have multiple of their smart plugs in use already. And this is a multi-plug. Now this lamp is Globe, so actually I thought maybe the actual lamp itself was smart, but on the website it says to make it smart, pair with a Globe bulb, which obviously I didn't do, but I'm gonna pair it with a Globe smart plug. So we will plug it in right here. And now I've got to turn you off so that I can get this hooked up. But I just wanted to show you that we did get one extra piece. I am still trying to get a charging tower station thing up here. I did order one used, but long story, I think I might still get it, but I don't know if it's going to be used, but I will show you that once I do get it. Let's jump back to the video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.